Speaking of Epic, Greg Abbott, he tweeted yesterday, today I signed, so this would make it, on June 19th, that he signed a law that cracks down developments like Epic City. Now, he doesn't elaborate more than that. I'm sure more's to come. But what's going on with Epic? How does this tweet land on you? Can you kind of highlight us on where things are?
Yeah, I think the best way we know that Abbott is misrepresenting the truth if he says anything about Epic City. He hadn't said a truthful thing about it yet. I don't know what this law that he's going to cracks down on developments like Epic City. We were monitoring a couple of different laws that were specifically aimed at Epic City that did not get passed. I don't know what our great governor is talking about, but he continues to misstate the truth for his own political purposes. And, he's the governor, I'm not. But he can kiss my ass. What he has said and done about that development and the people behind it is utter fucking bullshit. He ought to be ashamed. He ought to apologize, and he ought to back the fuck up, because we're not going anywhere. We will get that project built over whatever it fucking takes. We're going to get it built. So buckle up, motherfucker.
Hell yeah.
Even PBD responded. What does that mean? I mean, that tweet really, I don't understand it at all.
Yeah, it's very vague.
He has, from day one, based upon that stupid fucking tweet by Amy Meck, the self-proclaimed Islamophobe, has come to a conclusion without doing any investigation and has done nothing but try to capitalize on the misstatements and the lies to his benefit. It fucking enrages me. It's shameless. Other than that, I think he's done a really good job.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's interesting. It's just like, it feels like a diversion to just talk about something that is actually going to do nothing but ultimately good things for the community. And it's very, driven by very successful people, like you mentioned, like the leadership team for this development are doctors, lawyers, are self-made people who pay a lot of taxes.
Look at the attendance there. I mean, for God's sakes, every urologist, proctologist, neurologist. It's filled with highly educated, highly successful, highly moral people. I mean, I'd rather hang out with those folks than Highland Park folks any day. I trust the people that, there's a bad apple in every bunch, don't get me wrong, but the folks that I've met through Epic, even including you guys, have been nothing but respectful, decent, caring. I mean, it's amazing to me that he continues to demonize what is a legitimate project for legitimate reasons for his illegitimate ends. It fucking amazes me. What's wrong with him?
Yeah, no, it's interesting because it's just, again, very vague messaging to kind of cater to maybe an audience that is a voting, audience for him that, puts, it's that clip that we showed, right? The Sacha Baron Cohen clip, right? It's which is still really going off online, which is funny. People still laughing at that clip, but catering to this audience of people who have no idea of the actual, logistics of what's happening. They're just, they want to feel like they're taken care of or something. None of it makes any sense to us. Like, we don't get what's happening, but we're glad that you're on our team and the Epic team, because we're not affiliated with Epic at all, but it is a community that we know, like, and we grew up around. So it's pretty interesting.
All he's doing is trying to, all he's doing is what politicians have done for generations, but specifically since 9/11, and that is capitalize on lies and misstatements and half-truths for their own political gain. There's my girlfriend. Yeah, there's Amy Meck.
She actually responded to that tweet and said, "That sounds great, but can you clarify exactly what you mean? Can you be specific and give us real insights into what laws you've actually put into effect? Many of us across the state. She
ain't from this state.
We've uncovered massive amounts taxpayer money from your government being funneled into mosques and trouble."
Again, utter bullshit. Utter bullshit. We've got a surprise coming for Amy Meck. Buckle up, sweetheart. Buckle up.
Oh yeah, no, that's funny as hell. I didn't even see her tweet, but she's just everywhere. She's like a little roach online with this.
She's a
Islamophobic
self-proclaimed Islamophobe. Who fucking does that? I mean, who? I'm a self-proclaimed racist. I mean, my God, get a life.
Do you think people are like paying them to talk badly about this? Like, is there a financial incentive?
She's not doing this for her good looks. If she is, it ain't working.
But what about Governor Abbott? You think? I mean, I don't want to.
Look, I'm not suggesting that Governor Abbott is on the take and doing anything like that. I just think it's pure political, intoxication. He thinks this will help him politically.